Entering emergency mode, exit the shell to continue. Type journal ctl to view system log. So let's type the journal ctl to view the system logs. Friends, this is my system where my system is corrupted and is not booting up. So in this video I will show you how to fix this type of error. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe the channel and don't forget to like, share and comment. Let's start the troubleshooting. Here you can see that mount system sysroot wrong fs type bad option bad super block on /dev/mapper/rhl hyphen root. That means root rhl hyphen root is corrupted, so my server is not booting up. So let's repair the partition. So command will be xfs underscore repair /dev/mapper/rhl hyphen root. One thing here I need to tell you, please take proper backup of the server, because during repair server may be corrupted. So we need to take the valid backup of the server so that we can revert back if any mishappen occur here. So here we have to use the -l option. So let's add that option and check again. And now reboot the server. init6 server will be rebooted. Let's check what happened. My server is coming up or not. Yeah, we can see that my server is repaired, and it's able to log into my server. So let's give the root user and password. Yes, we can see that server error is fixed, and now server is working fine. Thank you for watching this video.